So in this video on the Bertram 28 project, what we're going to be talking about is going to be that the windlass installation. So obviously this was going to be different than most. It's a through bow windlass. What I realized after moderate use was the fact that from the Flybridge, where I'm driving the boat, 9 times out of 10, you have no idea what's happening with the anchor. So in seeing that, what I decided to go with was the quick RRC H02. Pretty simple remote to use, great range. You go down, go back up, so that way I can either be in the bow of the boat, I could be at the Flybridge looking at it, I could be down to the cabin looking at it, I can control it from anywhere, I can pass it on to somebody else that's going to be in the front controlling it, and not have to have switches in every different location, although I already have power running everywhere. Then I'm going to go inside and show the windlass installation and show what we did to get that windlass in place, what kind of windlass we're using, and all that other stuff. Here we're in the bow. So the only thing I added here is I added a plate in the back. Since it is through bow, if water comes in, I did not want it ending up in the cabin. So we have our quick 600 watt. I'm sorry, it's actually a 500 watt. So a 500 watt Genius GP2. Running that with 8mm chain and 9/16 rode. So you can see the roller up over there in the front. Then I have this piece of fiberglass that's supporting the windlass motor. And plenty of room for the rope and chain. All that's good. And then over here on the back side is where I have the solenoid. So pretty simple setup. I like the fact that everything's hidden. You can't see anything of what's happening. And then back in the I'll say the access to the lower helm station is where I have the box for the wireless remote. Then here I have the cable for the lower steering. And then here I have the cable for the upper steering, for the upper helm. So lower helm, upper helm, wireless remote, and then this is from the windlass to go up and down. And power is coming from the lithium bank over here. And it's feeding off of this fuse right over here, coming off of the main distribution panel of the lithium batteries.